If you love simple food that tastes amazing, stay with me. Hi everyone, you're most welcome. In today's video, basically we're going to prepare some simple meal. I'll prepare some Irish and pasta. So the first things we're going to do is to peel our Irish. When you're done peeling, you put a reasonable amount of cooking oil in a saucepan. Then you put your onions. After putting your onions, you add now your tomato paste over the tomatoes that you're going to put. So if it's your first time coming across my videos, you're most welcome. This is Leander. I'll appreciate when you stick up to the end of the video so that you'll see this simple way of preparing Irish and pasta or spaghetti. So today I would like to thank some of my viewers. I would want to thank Peter from South Sudan and then Elvis from Uganda. Thank you for always watching the videos, and for you who is watching right now, you can tell me where you're watching from. So when you've seen that your onions are ready, what you're going to do is to add your tomatoes, your tomato or tomato paste. Then from there, when it's cooked, the next thing we're going to do is to add our, if you like spices, you can add some food spices, but if you don't like, you can just leave your tomatoes and onions. So I added some Reiko, then some salt. Then from there, after adding my Reiko, my salt, what I'm going to do next is to put my Irish, or you can even add your salt later, so it will blend. So when you're done putting your Irish, you're going to pour some water and you leave it to boil for some few minutes. And then from there, the next thing you're going to do is to add your pasta. When you see that your Irish is almost getting ready, so you add your pasta so that it will cook evenly, and then the Irish will not be smashed, it will not be overcooked. And then you add your pasta when the Irish is almost. So tell me, how do you prepare your Irish, or is there another method you prefer, or you're willing to tell me, or you're telling me so that I can try next time if I'm trying to prepare maybe Irish or some pasta or spaghetti? You can tell me in the comment section, and don't forget to tell me where you're watching from so that I will thank you in my next video. So now that your Irish is almost ready, or you're leaving it to boil, you will also later put your pasta or your spaghetti, like the way I've said. So are you going to try this method, or are you going to try cooking your Irish and pasta the way I've made in this video? You can also tell me in the comment section so that I'll also know. You can also share this video to your loved ones so that they will learn a thing or two from it. If you're having busy days, you want to reduce that stress, so you want something so simple, something so quick, this is something that you can prepare for the house for your people. So now that my Irish is almost ready, the next thing I'm going to do, like I said earlier, I add my pasta or my spaghetti. So I leave it to cook. So when my spaghetti is ready, then from there I can carry it down. So that means my meal is ready for people to enjoy. Thank you for watching. I'll appreciate when you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that any vital video or any information that I'll be dropping here about cooking, about lifestyle, you won't miss out. So see you in the next video, and don't forget to comment and tell me where you're watching from, and then whether you're going to try this recipe or not. You can also comment. You can also tell me how you prepare your pasta and Irish. So bye bye, see you next time.